Everyone, fixing to give an update on my son's condition. Uh, was on Miss Helen White's YouTube channel and told them to tell everyone on there how my son is doing. So y'all listen to this little short video here.
Hey, boy, ain't level. I put something under it. I thought it was level.
All right, here's an update on Wilkes County, boys.
Oh, yeah, I did ask that.
Tell everyone my son is home.
Home?
He just got a lot of therapy to go through. They're not going to do hip surgery. The doctors got together and decided that his hip probably heal better than doing surgery.
Oh, great.
So with the help of Jesus' healing hands and everyone's prayers, he will have a good recovery.
Thank the Lord.
Thanks for everyone's prayers, love, and kindness from our hearts. And he sent 5 thumbs ups.
Oh, thank you.
So you could get my attention.
Oh.
Good deal.